Welcome back. Today we are going to be diving into our contact dashboard section. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in. All right, let's take a look at the contact analysis dashboard. This dashboard shows you your best relationships, what stage they are in, or even the last time that you called them for a quick evaluation of how well you have worked with the relationship to reinforce it and continue to invest in the people while you work to grow your business. Some of the key features that you can notice are the A, B, C, D categories are broken up so that you can see how all of those different leads filter into your system. You can also check out the average relationship score by stage as well as by status. And then you have a list on the very bottom of all of those leads and how they fit into your system. Some of the really cool things that you can do in this dashboard are click to highlight and see where all of those leads fall for any given section. Or you can also, at the very top right hand, filter by any set entry dates from start to end date so you can get a better idea of how all of those leads are working through your system and how long they've been in there so you can start to nurture and cultivate those relationships. I hope you enjoyed today's lessons. These are the workflow secret dashboards. If you have any questions, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to get you taken care of. But until then, we'll see you later.